Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the new Opensea token. Ticker symbol is C. Now Opensea is the largest NFT marketplace. People have been using Opensea for NFTs for years. And this brand new token is going to be listed soon on a very big central exchange. There is some information about this token, and we're going to go over the info on this token, talk about how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So you can see I'm going to put their Twitter up in the corner of the screen here. Huge following, 2 million Twitter followers at Opensea. Gold verified checkmark, 18,500 tweets. Has a link to their webpage right there. Also has a link to support right there. Opensea.io is the webpage. The largest NFT marketplace. Buy, sell, and discover the Internet of Goods. And yeah, so this token, it was just announced on Twitter here. It says Mexc Global Initial New Alert Listing. The C token will be listed in the Innovation Zone soon on Mexc Global, and it says date to be announced. So it doesn't give an exact date yet, but if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section and search SEA, the ticker symbol, and then simply just buy the token. But you will have to wait until it gets listed, so you can follow at Mexc_listings, or you could follow the Opensea Foundation Twitter, which is at OpenseaFDN. Now, why you would follow that one instead of this one, if you scroll down on this Twitter right here at Opensea, it says here, if you want to stay up to date on the new C listings and the new C announcements, head over to that Twitter, which is at OpenseaFDN, and that's short for foundation. So it says the C token is coming. Here are a few things to know. Historical Opensea usage, not just recent activity, will be an important ingredient. You can claim, process, and will be simple and accessible. U.S. users are welcome. We're focused on long-term sustainability and supporting a healthy, enduring community. No details on timing yet. We're taking the learnings from this space and getting it right. As always, only trusted updates from at Opensea or at Opensea FDN. So the Opensea FDN Twitter has 84,300 Twitter followers, not 2 million, but decent Twitter following. They have the gold verified checkmark, 122 posts so far. So it has some recent updates about this token here. And yeah, so it says, scroll all the way down. So there's a thread, it looks like. So it says, and then they do this is the last of this thread thing, and any tweets after that could be scammers, so just be aware that you don't listen to any crazy tweets. And yeah, so there's only, it looks like, 2 big updates so far. I'm sure this token also is going to be listed on tons of other central exchanges as well, and I do believe that this token is going to be on multiple chains. So I think I saw 14 plus chains I saw somewhere. It was talking about being listed on there. And I did, by the way, I just put a new referral code for a token called, for a crypto exchange called WEEX that you could follow. And I put a QR code right in the corner of the screen and a referral code down there. If you guys aren't on WEEX yet, that's a very cool brand new central exchange. I'm sure this token will be listed on there. I'm sure it'll be on CoinEx Global, BitTrue, basically almost all the referral codes down there. And probably the real big ones too, like Coinbase, Binance, that type of thing. So we'll have to see. So if you haven't used Opensea, I just posted a... I don't know who hasn't used Opensea, but I just posted a... Twitter for my own Twitter in the description box down there. And if you go to that Twitter, my X channel for this YouTube channel, there is an Opensea link where you could check out my NFTs as well. But basically, you could post NFTs on there for sale. It's a marketplace, and you could set your own prices. You could do batch orders where you have like a bunch of NFTs, and you can list them on Ethereum, on Polygon, I believe DAI. There's all sorts of different ways, USDT, USDC, all different ways. So it is the world's first and largest digital marketplace for crypto collectibles and non-fungible tokens. Buy, sell, and discover exclusive digital items. If you go to opensea.io, the very bottom of the page, you can check out, you can make an account. So you can make your own profile. You could have favorites. You could have a watch list. Make your own studios. You can use Opensea Pro. So they also have the PFPs, photography, music, memberships, gaming, and art section. So all different sections, the NFTs are split up. Now they have blog articles you could check out. There could be a blog article about the C token as well. There's a learning center, help center, partner center, careers info, and then there's like, what is an NFT? How do I buy an NFT? And they just introduced Opensea 2. So it's like the new version of Opensea, OS2. And that's in a lot of their latest articles and tweets and stuff like that. You could read about their new Opensea 2 there. And they have all these team members doxed on there as well. So Opensea 2, it says, the platform includes upgrades to every surface on the marketplace, giving our users a faster and more seamless experience for NFTs and tokens all in one place. And this includes new chains. So there's going to be new chains, better ways to search and explore, marketplace aggregation, cross-chain purchasing, and lower fees. OS2 is the one-stop shop for everything on-chain, your gateway to Web3, tokens, and NFTs all in one platform. So you can check it out. They have new chains, cross-chain purchasing, updated core functionalities, NFTs all in one place. You name it, OS2 is coming, and the new C token is coming soon. So check out all the referral codes down there, especially that Mexc global one. Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.